Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Priceless Brenda and I'm a YouTuber based in Italy. And if you're an old subscriber or rather you've been watching me for a very long time, thank you very much for always tuning in to watch my videos. I really appreciate you guys. I'm not taking you guys for granted. So thanks for tuning in again. So guys, like I said on my last video, I'll be coming back here to show you guys how I use my cerave face and body cleanser on my face. Guys, this is, you can also use this cerave for your body. It is written face and body, okay, but I use it for just my face. Reasons are, if I should be using this for my body at the same time my face, before you know, now it is gone and it's a bit expensive. Okay, it's on the expensive side, and you can see it's not that big like normal soap, normal body wash that will just last for my body. No. So I use it for just my face, so it will last longer. I have something I use for just for my body as well, but this is just for my face. So I'll be showing you how I use this in a bit. So if you know you're interested in this type of video, please stay tuned and remain blessed. What I do first is I'll rinse out my face. All right, so I'll be going into the bathroom now and rinsing my face and show you how I apply it. So just stay tuned, okay? So guys, as you can see, my face is properly washed. I've rinsed it out, and not with soap. Okay, I didn't wash it with soap. I just used lukewarm water to wash it. You can use any water of your choice to wash or rinse it out. So what I will be doing is applying a little bit. This a little bit can go a very long way. Don't use it too much. Okay, see what I'm pumping out? You see that? A little. This one will go a long way. You see, just massage it in to your face. Okay, bring it down to your neck, because I will also rinse that part. All right, just massage it in. Don't be too hard on your face. All right, on top of your nose, uh your forehead, massage it very well. You can use your two hands as well. Okay, please guys, do not, I see a lot of people when they are using face scrub, sorry, not face scrubs, when they are using face soaps, they use it on top of their lips. It's not advisable. Okay, it's not good at all. Do not use soaps on your lips. All right, after taking your shower, you can use your lip scrub to, or rather before going to shower, use your lip scrub to scrub your lips very well. Do not use soaps that have acids on your lips. Okay, a lot of people think it will make their lips grow pinker. It might help you pinking your lips, okay, but it is not advisable. It is acid, it is not good. All right, well, you can just massage it for like, for me, I don't sometimes I do it 3 minutes, sometimes 2 minutes, sometimes a minute is good. I'll just do it sharp and I'm good to go. But just concentrate on go faster. You have discolorations, you know, pimples. Like me, I have one big pimples here because something is coming up. The women stuff that normally comes up every month. That's why that pimples is there. Okay, I will use it like this. No, rub it in very well, guys. This one is still the soap, it's not foaming. Okay, this is not the foamy type, so that's the color of, you know that's how it is on my face. Do not think that this one is any foamy stuff. No, it doesn't have any foamy agent in it, so it's not foamy at all. Okay, so I really rub it in. Okay, So the side of your ear, just rub it properly. All right. So now I'm good. Okay. So right now we're going to the bathroom to wash it out because it has stayed for like 2 minutes on my face. Just few minutes, okay? And the feel on my face now is those tinglish feel. It's kind of pepperish a little bit, not too much, just tingly a little bit. It's not so harsh, no. Just tingling small like a little bit, all right? So it's not harsh on the face. No. It's just okay. So right now I'll be going to the bathroom to rinse this out, and I'm good. All right, stay tuned though. So guys, I'm back. So after washing, this is what my face is looking like. You can see it's glowing already because this face wash is really good. I'm telling you, it's really good. This is how my face is looking like. All right, this is it. So after this, please do not whenever you want to moisturize, after this you moisturize, okay? But whenever you want to moisturize, do not allow the water to dry too much, okay? Let the face to be a little bit wet before moisturizing, okay? Do not just dry up your face, all right? So that when you're using when you use the moisturizer, the soap, the chemical in this soap, not chemical, the acid, there's ceramide in it, so it can help you retain all of those moisture and all of those good stuff. So moisturize whenever your face is a little bit damp, okay, not too dry. All right, you just be like this. When it's like this, you can go ahead and moisturize your face. So thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate. And if you know you've not subscribed, please be cool, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the post notification to always notify you whenever I post a new video. And if you have any video suggestion for me, okay, you want me to talk about something or talk about a lotion or rather face cream for you, I can go ahead and do that. Just drop it in the comment section, or rather my email, I will also drop it in the description box. So for now, see you. Ciao.